Hey, I am Alice Smith at Holly Insurance, and I just wanted to chat with you a bit about your workers' comp mod. A workers' comp mod is basically your modification factor. It's given to you by the state of Virginia based on your particular business and its class code, as well as your business's claims history and experience factors. If you have never received an experience mod rating from the Virginia Workers' Compensation Department, it's probably because your business hasn't reached that base level of premium for them to send that out. Normally, a mod is sent out to businesses that have more than $5,000 of workers' compensation premium. And it pretty much is a scale that lets you know how you are doing with your claims and things like that based on other businesses that have that same rate class. So when you have a mod, when you start your business, you're automatically at a 1.0. That's an average baseline. When you file claims and you have different factors that hit based on if it's a medical only claim, if it's a claim where someone was paid time off and lost wages, then your mod is going to increase. The amount it increase is based on the particular claim types. It's very, very important to have a light duty return to work program because this can prevent the claim types from being the kind that significantly impact that mod. Now, on the opposite end, if you don't file a lot of claims, if you have great experience factors, your mod can go below a 1. That is very important to know. The higher your mod is, the higher your premium is. The lower your mod is, the lower your premium is. And this is based by a credit or a debit that is applied by the state of Virginia. All right, so here's an example of a mod that I have for XYZ Incorporated. With this business, you can look at the mod and see all kinds of information. Your mod is a specific number that's given to you by the state of Virginia. Your agent does not give you that mod, your carrier does not give you that mod, it's given to you by the state. You can either have credits or debits applied to your workers' comp premium based on your mod. As I've mentioned, the mod starts out at 1. The safer you are, the lower your mod. You can be less than 1. The more claims you have and the type of claims that you have can make your mod grow higher. So for an example, you can look at this company in the lower right-hand corner and notice that their mod is 1.46. That means they have a 46% surcharge added to their workers' comp policy. This is done, like I mentioned, by the state. Because of the number of claims they have and the risk that this company has, their premium is 46% higher than what it normally would be if they did not have these claims. Another way to think about this is on the opposite end though. If you do not have workers' comp claims, if you make safety a very key factor in your business and you make sure your employees are well trained, they have the tools and resources they need, the equipment that they need, you have regular safety meetings, your supervisors are held accountable to make sure that they have safe practices on job sites. Things like in a restaurant wearing no-slip shoes, making sure people are not running, making sure things are put away safely. On a construction site, making sure that people use proper practices when using tools, wearing safety goggles, paying attention when they swing that hammer so that way they are doing things the right way and staying safe. Then your mod can be less than 1. I've seen some businesses with as low as a 0.74 mod. So that would mean that that company was getting a 26% credit applied to their workers' comp. Workers' comp can be expensive. Understanding your mod and knowing how to make it work for you by being able to get those credits are very, very important ways to save money for your business. here at Holly Insurance, we actually have a program that we can evaluate your mod for you. We can let you know the difference between claims on your mod if they would have been medical only versus medical and paid time off. We can also let you know how that impacts your premium as knowing the lowest possible mod percentage that you can have. This, you can work your way lower than a 1, and if you let us know, we can research that for you and let you know what the lowest percent you can have, so you know what the maximum amount of savings that you can get from the state of Virginia for your workers' comp. Please just give us a call if you would like to set up a free evaluation today.